In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Because GCash doesn't support direct transfers to PayPal, I'll walk you through the correct workaround and explain each step so you know exactly what to do. We'll start by linking your GCash account to PayPal. Open the GCash app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Go to My Linked Accounts and select PayPal. You'll be redirected to a secure PayPal login page where you'll sign in and confirm the link. Once done, your accounts are connected. This linking is useful for moving money from PayPal into GCash later, and it also helps ensure your account details match. For best results, make sure your names and personal details are consistent across both platforms and that both accounts are fully verified. If you already have funds sitting in PayPal and want them in GCash, you can cash in directly. In GCash, tap Cash in the upper right area, choose Global Banks and Partners, then select PayPal. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer, review, and confirm. Funds typically appear quickly, but processing times can vary. Keep an eye on any applicable fees or currency differences. Now, an important note, GCash does not allow direct transfers from GCash to PayPal. To move money the other way, from GCash into PayPal, you'll need to use a bank account as a bridge. Think of it as a two-step hop. GCash to your bank, then your bank to PayPal. To send money from GCash to your bank, open GCash and tap Transfer on the home screen. Choose your linked bank account, then enter the account name, account number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check the details before confirming to avoid delays or reversals. After you confirm, wait for the funds to reflect in your bank account. Timing can vary based on the bank and network conditions. Once the money is in your bank, open your bank's app and move it to PayPal. Look for an option such as Top Up, Add Money, or PayPal within the bank app, then follow the on-screen instructions to transfer funds to your PayPal account. Confirm the transaction, and once completed, the funds will appear in your PayPal balance. Processing time depends on your bank, so allow a little time if it doesn't show up immediately. And that's it. You've learned the reliable workaround, GCash to bank, then bank to PayPal. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical PayPal and GCash tips.